High-voltage circuit breakers and switchgear from Siemens Energy are designed in a proven modular platform concept. They use the same principle of the spring drive mechanism for all voltage levels and all types of construction. This leads to a high flexibility, allowing to meet a wide range of customers' requirements. The compact and virtually maintenance-free spring drive mechanism provides the force for closing and opening the circuit breaker. The closing and opening springs are located in one single operating mechanism unit. The spring drive mechanism, with its roller bearings and its integrated springs, is completely separated from the gas compartments. The opening spring is generally charged through the closing spring. Therefore, the circuit breaker can be opened safely and immediately at any time. In normal operation mode, the circuit breaker is able to perform open, close, open operation sequences without any auxiliary power source for charging the springs. The closing spring is charged by an electrical motor through a charging gear which disengages once the closing spring is fully charged. The switching cycles are triggered by electromechanical actuators and mechanical latches. As the closing operation takes place, the closing spring charges the opening spring through a cam disc. At the same time, the interrupter unit, which is coupled directly to the opening spring, will be closed. Upon completion of the closing cycle, the closing spring is recharged automatically by the electric charging motor. The circuit breaker is now in a normal operation mode. The energy stored in the springs ensures the switching sequence open, close, open at any time and without the assistance of an electric motor. After terminating the opening operation, the closing spring can be actuated immediately on demand. This process charges the opening spring. Therefore, an opening switching operation can be triggered again immediately. A virtually maintenance-free design and a low number of moving parts ensure safe and reliable operation for decades.